Hello everyone, I have another package, and this time it's not from China, it is from Hungary, because if I buy the same thing from China, it would be only cheaper for a few dollars, so I wouldn't save much if I buy it from China, and it was like much quicker to buy it from Hungary. I didn't even buy it from this store, so I don't know why it's here, this crap, because I just hate this store because it's always popping up when I'm watching YouTube on my TV. Okay, so I have the receipt here, and I also got some discount coupon, and here it is. So it's a Mi Band 5. I'm not gonna make it too long because I absolutely have no experience with any kind of smart bracelet or smartwatch or anything like that. So I'm just gonna show it what is in the box. I like the box, I like this part. It has this little texture here. So you can see in the side, the multisport, mode tracking, magnetic charging, all day sleep tracking, 14 days battery life, 1.1 colorful screen, water resistance up to 50 meter, heart rate and stress monitoring, and for the ladies this bottom part. So if you find any useful information in the back, you can pause the video and read it. Let me just open the box. It is sealed still, so I'm trying to... Okay, probably it's gonna be easier if I'm trying to cut it. Okay, so first of all, here is a cable. I'm just gonna open it quickly to show this. So this is the charging cable, and it's not the typical USB Type-C or micro USB charging cable. And as I can feel, it is not gonna be too long. Yes, that's it. So I don't know, maybe 30 centimeter, but I cannot say it for sure. Let's see what else. And here is the band. So there is something still here. Yes, it's a little thick booklet about it, about the... So this is what it is. So yeah, I'm not gonna deal with that, at least not now. So here is the smart bracelet, or Mi Band 5. I'm just gonna try it on really quickly because it doesn't seems to be okay. It's just gonna barely fit me, I think. Yeah. So yes, it is in the second hole. So I don't know how to turn it on. Probably doesn't have any battery. So it's just like a rubber thing. I hope my skin not gonna react to it to any strange way. So okay, I'm just gonna plug the charging cable, and its belly can come here to the screen. Should be charging now. I don't know if I can place it the other way around. Oh, it was vibrating, so probably it was charging. I wouldn't be able to place the other way. And it has a quite a strong magnet, so sorry guys, so I can lift it with the cable, and it's charging. Okay, so yes, it's charging. 2:32 is showing the time, but it doesn't showing the time right, so it's not the accurate time now. But I guess I will have to set it, because if I just started to charge it, so it probably does have no way to know the correct time. So I think I'm gonna finish the video here, because I cannot really say much more things about it. Now it's vibrating. As I removed it from the charger, it just started to vibrate, and obviously, like, you can switch the like this part if you want, but I'm not gonna take any more of your time. Thanks for watching. God bless.